Ash Mufareh stands as a prominent figure in the world of online business. His vision and leadership have propelled Onpassive to the forefront of innovative marketing solutions. Onpassive represents a paradigm shift, offering a comprehensive platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and businesses. This platform leverages the power of artificial intelligence and automation to streamline operations and maximize success. Mufareh's commitment to creating a truly unique and effective platform has resonated with a global community of users. Onpassive isn't just another software company, it's a movement. It's a community of individuals driven by a shared desire for achievement and financial freedom. Mufareh's vision extends beyond mere software. It encompasses a holistic approach to online business success. The platform's power comes from its interconnected ecosystem, where each tool seamlessly integrates with others to create a synergistic effect. This cohesive approach allows users to manage all aspects of their online presence from a single, unified platform. Before we continue, please remember to like, comment and subscribe below. Thanks. In his recent Onpassive360 address, Ash Mufareh painted a picture of a company poised for remarkable growth. He highlighted the significant strides Onpassive has made in refining its platform and strengthening its infrastructure. This enhanced position lays a solid foundation for future success. The progress made to date positions Onpassive for a period of accelerated growth and expansion. Ash Mufareh underscored the importance of the Onpassive team. He emphasized that the company's success is linked to the talent, dedication and character of its people. Mufareh believes a strong team is built on shared values and a common purpose. This culture of mutual respect and collaboration fuels remarkable results. Integrity, honesty and a strong work ethic are essential for Onpassive's success. Section 4. Anticipating the future. Enhanced features and user experience. Ash Mufareh hinted at exciting new features and improvements coming to the Onpassive platform. While he remained tight-lipped on specifics, he assured users that these enhancements would significantly enhance the user experience and further empower them to achieve their business goals. This anticipation builds excitement within the Onpassive community. Mufareh emphasized the company's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. The upcoming features are designed to streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and ultimately drive greater success for Onpassive users. This dedication to innovation ensures that Onpassive remains at the forefront of the online business landscape. By actively listening to its users, Onpassive ensures that its platform remains relevant and effective in a constantly changing digital environment. This user-centric approach is a key differentiator for Onpassive. Section 5. Maintaining momentum, the importance of positivity and patience. Ash Mufareh encouraged the Onpassive community to maintain a positive and patient outlook. He acknowledged that building a successful business takes time and effort, and emphasized the importance of staying focused on the long-term vision. Mufareh stressed the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. He believes that a positive attitude is essential for overcoming challenges and achieving success. Patience is a virtue, especially in the world of business. Mufareh reminded the Onpassive community that building a sustainable and thriving business takes time and dedication. He encouraged users to remain patient and trust in the process, assuring them that the rewards will be well worth the wait. This message of resilience resonates deeply within the entrepreneurial spirit of the Onpassive community. Section 6. Spreading the word, a call to action. Ash Mufareh concluded his address with a call to action. He urged the Onpassive community to watch and share his message with others who might benefit from the Onpassive platform. This call to action empowers users to become ambassadors for the brand. Sharing the message is more than just spreading information, it's about sharing a vision of empowerment and opportunity. By sharing Mufareh's message, Onpassive users can introduce others to the potential of the platform and help them to achieve their own business goals. This act of sharing reinforces the sense of community and shared purpose. By spreading the word about Onpassive, users can contribute to the growth and expansion of the community. It creates a ripple effect of positive impact. For the link of the YouTube video with Ash Mufareh, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.